Whales are making moves in crypto, but not with flashy trades. It's all about subtle positioning. If you're only watching for big splashes, you'll miss the clues that matter most. Today, we're breaking down 4 coins quietly attracting whale attention, and what you need to know before making any moves. Whether you're new or experienced, this episode will help you spot the next big wave before it hits. Let's start with XRP, a crypto giant that's often misunderstood yet impossible to ignore. While some see it as just another digital token, XRP has carved out a unique space in the crypto world, attracting both passionate supporters and vocal skeptics. XRP moves like a cruise ship, slow to turn, but when it does, the momentum is undeniable. It's not the fastest or flashiest, but its sheer size and power make every shift significant. Whales are interested because of its growing institutional relevance. Banks and payment networks are exploring XRP for cross-border transactions, and even with ongoing regulatory drama, its potential utility keeps it in the spotlight. Every major court decision or hint of SEC settlement sees big wallets quietly accumulating. These aren't retail traders, they're sophisticated investors watching legal developments closely, ready to act on any sign of clarity. Whales aren't chasing quick flips, they're positioning for a long-term play if XRP gets global regulatory clarity. They know that real value could be unlocked if XRP is greenlit for institutional use worldwide. Think of XRP as buying real estate before a city booms. Not flashy, but potentially rewarding for the patient. The groundwork is being laid, and those who wait could see significant returns if the ecosystem matures. But don't ignore the risks. Regulatory uncertainty still looms. The SEC case is a cloud that could clear or darken at any moment, and headlines can swing sentiment overnight. Whales look for asymmetric opportunities, not smooth sailing. They're willing to weather volatility for the chance at outsized gains, but they're also prepared to cut losses if the tides turn. If you're considering XRP, ask yourself, are you in for the next month or the next decade? This isn't a quick trade, it's a strategic bet on the future of digital finance and regulatory evolution. Watch the wallets, not the headlines, to see where the real moves happen. Whale activity often signals conviction that goes beyond daily news cycles. Big market caps need big catalysts, don't expect overnight fireworks. For XRP, the next surge will likely be triggered by a major regulatory breakthrough or institutional adoption, not hype alone. If you want a blue-chip crypto with institutional tailwinds and the potential for a breakout moment, keep XRP on your radar. The journey may be slow, but for those who understand the tides, it could be worth the wait. Now, let's dive into Vita Inu, the meme coin that's become a sensation for its lightning-fast transactions and viral hype. Vita Inu isn't just another meme coin, it's a project that thrives on speed, both in its blockchain and in the way it captures attention across social media. Vita Inu's community is relentless, constantly pushing viral trends, memes, and challenges that keep the coin in the spotlight. Their energy fuels not just price surges, but also a sense of belonging and excitement that's hard to find elsewhere in crypto. Smart money pays close attention to social metrics. When mentions, hashtags, and group activity spike, it's often a sign that a pump is brewing. These digital signals can be more telling than any technical chart. The meme coin lifecycle is fast and furious. Hype builds, prices soar, and then just as quickly the excitement can fade. Whales, those big money investors, jump in during these frenzies, looking for quick momentum plays. They're not here for the long haul, they're here to ride the wave and cash out before the tide turns. But what goes up fast can crash just as quickly. Meme coins like Vita Inu are notorious for sharp retracements, where prices can plummet in minutes, leaving latecomers holding the bag. The key is discipline, don't get greedy. Whales and experienced traders set tight profit targets, locking in gains before the hype fizzles out. They exit as soon as volume fades, knowing that liquidity can dry up in an instant. Vita Inu stands out for its hyperactive community. Regular AMAs, meme contests, and influencer collaborations keep the buzz alive. But remember, it's all about momentum. When the hype engine slows, so does the price action. If the hype stalls, the price inevitably follows. Momentum is everything in the world of meme coins. Beginners often get caught up chasing green candles, buying in at the top when excitement is at its peak. But seasoned pros watch wallet activity and trading volume, tracking the moves of whales to anticipate the next big shift. If whales start selling, it's a clear warning sign. The trend is likely over, and a sharp drop could be imminent. Vinu could 10x in value, or drop 90% in the blink of an eye. That's the double-edged sword of meme coin investing. Think of it like a game of musical chairs. Know your exit strategy, respect the volatility, and don't get caught when the music stops. Always remember, never bet more than you can afford to lose. In the world of meme coins, fortunes can be made or lost in moments. Next up, Dogelon Mars, a meme coin with a legacy twist and its own wild story to tell. Dogelon Mars, Elon, is a meme coin with a comeback narrative. It rode the meme wave in 2021 and still has a loyal fan base hoping for another run. Every meme season, whales and traders look for nostalgia-fueled pumps. Musk isn't officially involved, but his tweets about Mars or space often trigger Elon surges. Whales quietly accumulate before hype returns, betting on sentiment over fundamentals. Elon's chart is a roller coaster, long flat periods, then explosive spikes. If you're early and patient, there's potential for big gains, but chasing pumps is risky. Whales buy during quiet months, then scale out as volume surges. For beginners, don't get swept up in FOMO. Always have an exit plan. Meme coins can come back, or disappear, fast. Treat every position as speculative, and don't confuse narrative with substance. If you want a meme coin comeback story, Elon is one to watch. Now, let's talk about the ultimate high-risk, high-reward play in the crypto world, DEXRP or DEXRP. This isn't your average digital asset. DEXRP is the coin for those who crave adrenaline, volatility, and the thrill of the unknown. It's a playground for risk-takers, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. If XRP is the steady cruise ship, DEXRP is the wild dark horse, unpredictable, fast, and always on the edge. The odds are wild, the potential is huge, and the risks are massive. It's the kind of asset that can surprise everyone, for better or worse. DEXRP rides the waves of XRP hype. When XRP rallies, DEXRP's trading volume explodes as traders rush in, hungry for leveraged exposure and outsized gains. It's a fast-paced environment where every move counts, and hesitation can cost you dearly. Whales love to play this game fast, making big buys during XRP rallies, then exiting just as quickly when volatility spikes. Their moves can send shockwaves through the market, creating sudden surges and equally sharp drops. Liquidity is thin, so price swings are extreme. 30% moves in a single day aren't rare. One moment you're up big, the next you're down just as fast. It's a roller coaster that only the bold can stomach. Whales and savvy traders are drawn to DEXRP's asymmetric risk profile. Small bets can lead to outsized returns if the narrative catches fire. It's a calculated gamble, where the upside can be enormous, but the downside is always lurking. But make no mistake, this is pure speculation. Fundamentals often take a back seat to crowd psychology and market sentiment. The mood of the market can shift in an instant, turning euphoria into panic and back again. Right now, while the noise has died down, smart money is quietly accumulating DEXRP during periods of low volatility. They're positioning themselves for the next big XRP breakout, hoping to catch the wave before the crowd piles in. Timing is absolutely everything here. Move too late, and you risk becoming exit liquidity for the early movers. In this game, hesitation can be costly, and quick decisions are rewarded. For DEXRP, discipline is key. Set your targets, stick to your stop losses, and never let greed cloud your judgment. The market can turn on a dime, so having a plan is essential. Remember, this is a trader's coin, not a long-term investment. DEXRP is built for those who thrive on short-term volatility and can manage risk with precision. If you love the rush of fast markets and have a solid risk management strategy, DEXRP can be an exhilarating ride. The highs are high, the lows are low, and every day brings a new challenge. But always respect the risk. Never bet more than you can afford to lose. In the world of DEXRP, caution is just as important as courage. Those are the 4 coins quietly attracting whale attention while most chase the obvious plays. Whether you prefer XRP's stability, Vinu's hype, Elon's comeback, or DEXRP's wild ride, know your risk and have a plan. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which coin you think will move next. This is Crypto Insider, helping you spot trends before the crowd. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on the wallets, not just the headlines.